SeaArt app, AI photo and video maker. So AI image generator app, which you can just use in here. SeaArt AI is a free AI art generator that makes art accessible to everyone. No professional skills required. Create and edit high quality images and videos effortlessly using powerful AI technology. Mastery in 10 seconds. Simply describe your idea in words and generate numerous high definition, high quality images and videos within seconds. SeaArt meets the needs of all users. Beginners can generate images and videos with one click, while professionals can adjust parameters for high quality creations. Massive model library, rich filter character library, efficient AI tools, creative community. So let's just open it up. And here is how you create an account. Here is how you get started. And then, yeah, there is 3-day free trial in this app if you wanna. And then, yeah, there is also 30% off. And then, yeah, you can then just go and create images. You can also remix images from other people. There are like some other photos in here. Then there is like a message center. Then there is your account. So then you just have it like that. Then you have settings. So some general settings, you can always delete your account. And this is how it looks like. Obviously, you will have a lot of notifications probably from AI bots. But basically, yeah, that's just what you have in here.